Ito yata yung ito yung parang merong parang historical significance sa kanila where a turtle supposedly has given yung leader nila a sword, and then yun yung ginamit niya to defend sa mga gustong mag-conquer sa kanila, if I'm not mistaken, kung ito yon. Kung hindi, edi mali ako. Hindi, joke. So from the lake na lalakaran natin, tayo rin ay pupunta. Meron siyang parang temple dun sa gitna. So from the Huan Kim Lake, tayo ay tatawid parang dun sa gitna para pumunta dun sa Ngok Son Temple. If I'm not mistaken, ito yung parang may red na bridge going to the temple itself. So yun yung agenda natin, just to take a chill, relaxing walk around the lake and then go to that temple, and then we'll take it from there. Guys, nandito na tayo sa may bandang lake. Ayun na yung lake doon. So iikutin lang natin kasi nakikita ko na yung temple dun sa gitna. But just to let you know, ito yung sinasabi nilang magandang puntahan na Uniqlo dito dahil meron mga products dyan na parang collab type na dito mo lang makikita. So siguro mamaya, if we have time, daan din tayo. Baka lang, we're not here naman to shop, but there might be something interesting inside na dito mo lang makikita. So it's always a good idea to check it out lang. You don't have to always buy naman, diba? Ayan, ito yung lugar. Dami nagpapapicture. Parang may isda rin dun sa ayan. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa paikot pa rin ng lake, and I'm not sure if familiar kayo. Naalala niyo yung parang shark ba? No, parang boat na shark na puro coffee houses before. Ito siya. Pero sabi nila, 'di ba, i-tear down na daw siya and they'll do it and they'll transform it to something else. So ito yung plaza na yon, or ito yung intersection or paikot na rotonda na yon. And this is the new building right now, if you'll see it. Parang naging mas, I'm not sure, ginagawa pa rin siya, pero hindi ko alam kung naging apartment complex pa siya or business complex or housing. But it's now a different vibe, I guess. So wala na yung mga, di ba may Aldi yan, so ba coffee house and stuff. So ngayon, iba na siya. And this is just a quick update kung ano na itsura niya ngayon. Natatandaan ko yun kasi may HSBC at KFC doon when I was watching it. So nung nakita ko, sabi ko, wait, katapat nun yung parang shark building, pero it's not there anymore. So yun lang. I just thought I'd point it out to you. Okay, let's go. So sa likod ko ngayon is the Ngok Son Temple. Ito yung famous na meron siyang red na bridge. And we're going there ngayon. And hindi ko pa alam kung anong meron sa loob, pero ito yata yung ito yung parang merong nabasa ako na meron siyang parang historical significance sa kanila where a turtle supposedly has given yung leader nila a sword, and then yun yung ginamit niya to defend yung kanilang territory from the parang sa mga occupants na sa mga gustong mag-conquer sa kanila, at yun ay binigay apparently nung turtle na yon, if I'm not mistaken, kung ito yon. Tapos kung hindi, edi mali ako. Hindi, joke. Tapos isa pa is I think they're calling it parang the recovered sword or something. Yun yung pangalan niya. So we're going to explore that inside in just a few minutes. Okay? So bibili muna tayong ticket. Thank you. And so it's 50,000. So, we got our ticket already. Let's go. Pasok na tayo. So, tama ako kanina. Ito yung merong turtle. Papakita ko sa inyo. Meron siyang turtle dito. Ayan. So, ayan. Yung Juan Kim Lake Turtle. Yun yung sinasabi nila na nagbigay daw nung sword. And then, yun yung specifically nagsagip sa kanila. Thank you. Ito yung kanilang famous na bridge. Yan. Dito pa yung turtle. Nandito pa siya. Guys, eto na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na parang tail. This is the turtle. Tapos ito yung sword na binigay niya sa one of the heroes here in Hanoi and in Vietnam that we celebrate. So ito apparently yung binigay niya na sword. And then yun yung ginamit niya to defeat yung kanilang mga conquerors. So pasok tayo sa loob. Dali, alam ko nandun eh. Nandun daw yung turtle. Oh my God, ito siya. Ganyan siya kalaki. Nakikita niyo ba? Ganyan siya kalaki. Kaya naman pala niya nadala yung Guys, nandito na tayo. Ito na yung turtle na sinasabi ko. Ang laki-laki naman pala niya. Kaya parang siya yung naghatid nung sword. The Sword Lake Turtle, ito yun. Ito yung Sword Lake Turtle na sinasabi nila. Sobrang laki siya. Tignan natin siya from the side. Ayan. Ganyan naman pala siya kalaki. Kung gusto nyo makita yung pinuntahan natin kanina, so basically ito siya. So you cross here. At saka nandito yung temple na parang siyang island. So nandito tayo ngayon pero ito lang yun. Ayan. So guys, after natin dun sa lake, tayo naman ngayon ay magpupunta dito sa isang sikat na kainan. We're going to eat something different naman. Well, hindi naman siya different, but we're gonna eat pizza. We're going to the famous 4-piece pizza. So, tingnan natin kasi some of them say na kailangan mo ng reservation. And kakabukas lang nila ng 10:30. So, tingnan natin kung if we can actually get a table. Malapit lang siya dito sa may lake kung saan tayo nagpunta. So, let's see if we can secure a table for us and relax kasi ang next natin na pupuntahan yung Ho Chi Minh Museum. So, habang hindi pa lunch break dito, let's try to get a table and eat hopefully good pizza. Okay? Dito na yata siya. Four-piece pizza, parang kakabukas lang nila. So, nakakatuwa naman. Ayan. Kain muna tayo.
We're setting up the table.
Yeah, that's okay. Just for one person.
Okay, so let me see. Could it be better for to come out around 11?
11. Yeah, no.
20 minutes.
I'll be just sitting outside. So.
Okay, can you give the name for me first?
Ed.
Ed, right?
ED,
right?
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put the name for you.
Yeah,
so
thank you.
Take a seat over. You come back later.
Okay, 11 o'clock should be
Yeah.
fine. Oh, so we made our reservation. Siguro mga 15 minutes pa and then we'll just go back for it. Kasi yung iba talagang I think by reservation. So since kabubukas sila, nagsiset up pa sila ng table, nag-iwan na tayo ng pangalan and our appointment is at 11. So we have time to look around here actually.
The oven's a little bit hot.
Okay.
For you, maybe you can choose at the corner.
Okay.
So that'll be better.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
อาหารในปากผมด้วย
Oh, this one is better? Is that okay?
This one is a little bit near to the stair.
That's
so
okay.
Like the people go up and down.
That's okay.
It's okay, right?
That's why it's so that it's not a little bit dark. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Okay, we are now officially here at Pizza 4-Piece. And let's see what we're gonna have. Can I please have this one? Burrata pie, yeah. And then I'll have yeah. Thank you so much. Can I have them both at the same time? Sure, no problem. Thank you so much.
Just the morning, so the heat of people.
When we need to, yeah, that's okay. I'm not in a rush. Thank you so much. Siya mainit. Ang daming cheese. Lord of the Rings. In fairness, masarap. These are good decisions. The pasta's good also. And the burrata pie is also very good. Very light lang siya. Very simple. Pero, tama siya. Kailangan kainin ng mas earlier yung yung pasta. Kasi yung sauce niya, well, dahil may cream, lalamig. So, okay. This is 4-piece and we're very happy with our food. And then, pagkatapos nito, continue na tayo sa itinerary natin.